And now I want us to see how could you integrate such an integral. So it is integral of x e to power x is a bit confusing, and stick with me and you understand how we can integrate such an integral. And by the end of this video, I'll also give you what you'll try out. Now, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and turn on the notification button such that you receive the notification whenever I upload a video. Now, whenever you find such an integral or any integral in this form, we normally use what we call integration by parts. Integration by parts. Integration by parts gives us a synonym that we use, and that is I let. So I let, I stands for inverse trigonometric ratio, L logarithmic, A algebraic, T trigonometric, and E exponential. So the I let helps us to identify which one is U, and then the other one is the V. Now, integration by parts tells us that if I have an integral of U dv dx times dx is actually equal to uv minus the integral of v du dx times dx. So this is what we call integration by parts. It comes from the product rule that we shall see also in the near future. Now, if you look at here, we have in our integral here, we have what we call algebraic and also exponential. So we use I let, we ask ourselves, algebraic and exponential, which one comes first? It is realized that algebraic comes first. If algebraic comes first, is what we let as u. So we come and say our u will be x, and then our dv dx is now the exponential to power x. So our dv dx is e to power x. So we can differentiate this. When we differentiate this, we shall have du dx is actually equal to 1. And when we go to this and integrate e of x, when we integrate e of x, we get e of x itself. So integrating on both sides, we get this. Now, putting it back into our formula here, our integral of x e of x dx will now equal to our u is x, our v is this. So we shall have x e of x minus the integral v is this e of x times du dx is 1, then times dx. So rewriting this better, it was x e of x minus integral e of x dx. Now when we integrate this, we realize that we shall have x e of x minus, integrating this one, we stay with e of x plus a c. So we can go further and simplify this to being e of x into x minus 1 plus a c, and that is the integral of x e of x dx. So it's very easy, very cheap. Now, what are you going to try out? Your trial question. Your trial question says evaluate the integral. Now, after understanding the way one is done, it is easy for the other one. So yours is here 1 plus x e of x dx. Drop your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friend such that we all learn. We meet in the next. Thank you.